Today we're going to be making Snickers ice cream bars. Well, they turned out to be cookies. I'll just call them Snookies. The secret to this recipe is to use ripe bananas. My bananas are not ripe yet, so I'm going to speed up the ripening process by just drawing a couple freckles. This method has been found to be super effective. Perfect. Next, remove the slug from the shell. Be careful not to damage the slug in the process. Make sure you save the shells. These are good for, I can't remember now, but just save them. Next, you want to slice the slug into slug chunks. It's important to make sure the chunks are all the same size because we're going to be crushing them up, so it doesn't really matter. It should only take a few squeezes. Some yum yum sauce, some cocoa pow pow, and mix Solardo. Spoon the mixture on a tray with the shiny side up. Add in a couple pumps of peanut butter. Usually about one is sufficient. Next, you want to add some peanuts. These may not look like peanuts, but they're actually the same. They're just cousins. There's no space in my freezer, so I'll just ask my neighbors to borrow theirs. This is what it should look like. Next, you want to drizzle Lardo some chocolate. This is just 1 part Choco and 1 part Lot. Perfect. Taste test. Snicker looking good.